Welcome to the Loop English Pod. I'm your host, and today Daniel is visiting a new city and needs help finding his way around. Let's listen as he asks a local for directions.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Do you know where the city museum is?
Of course. It's not far from here. Are you on foot?
Yes, I'm walking. I've been wandering around for a while, and I'm a little lost, to be honest.
No worries. Okay, so you want to go straight ahead on the street. Just keep going in the direction you're facing.
Straight ahead, got it.
Then when you reach the traffic lights at the end of this block, turn left.
Left at the traffic lights. Okay,
After you turn left, you'll walk past a small park on your right. Keep going and the museum will be on the right side, just past the park.
past the park on the right. Got it. Is there a big sign or something I should look for?
Yes, actually, there's a large gray building with columns at the front. It's quite distinctive. You'll also notice a red banner hanging outside.
That sounds simple enough. How long does it take to walk there?
On foot? I'd say about 15 minutes, maybe a bit more if you walk slowly.
15 minutes. That's not bad at all. Is the route pretty straightforward, or is it easy to get lost?
It's fairly straightforward. The main thing is to make sure you turn left at the lights, not right. Other than that, just follow the road.
Left at the lights. I'll remember that. Thank you so much.
Happy to help. You'll love it. The museum is really impressive.
Let's look at some other ways to say what you just heard. Instead of, "Do you know where the museum is?" you can say, "Could you tell me how to get to the museum?" Instead of, "Turn left at the traffic lights," you can say, "Make a left at the intersection." Instead of, "The museum will be on the right side," you can say, "You'll find it on your right-hand side." Now let's listen to part 2.
Actually, wait, is there a bus I could take instead? I'm not sure my feet are up for 15 minutes.
Sure. There's a bus stop just around the corner behind you. It's the number 7 bus.
Number 7. And where do I get off?
Get off at Museum Square. It's only 3 stops. You'll hear the announcement, but you can also watch for a big fountain in a plaza. That's the stop.
A big fountain in a plaza. I can look for that.
Exactly. And once you get off the bus, the museum entrance is right across the plaza. You can't miss it. There's a large red banner outside.
A red banner. That's a good landmark. Do the buses run often?
Every 10 minutes or so during the day. You probably won't wait long.
That's really helpful. Do I need to buy a ticket before I get on, or can I pay on the bus?
You can tap your card when you board. Contactless works fine. Or there's a ticket machine at the bus stop if you prefer.
Perfect. Honestly, I might just walk. I want to see the neighborhood a little.
That's a nice idea. The streets around here are pretty, lots of old buildings and little cafes.
Okay, I'll walk then. Straight, left at the lights, past the park on the right.
You've got it. Here, let me give you my number just in case you need help.
Here are more ways to express what you just heard. Instead of, "Get off at Museum Square," you can say, "Your stop is Museum Square," or "Exit the bus at Museum Square." Instead of, "You can't miss it," you can say, "It's very easy to spot," or "It stands out right away." Instead of, "The buses run often," you can say, "They come frequently," or "There's one every few minutes." Now let's listen to part 3.
Hey Sarah, it's Daniel, the tourist you helped earlier. I think I took a wrong turn somewhere.
Oh no. Okay, where are you now? What do you see around you?
There's a big supermarket on my left and a pharmacy on the corner. I don't see any park.
You must have turned right at the lights instead of left. Easy mistake. Can you go back to the traffic lights?
Yes, I can see them from here. I'm heading back now.
Good. Turn left this time and walk until you see the park. It's a small park with a bench and a couple of trees, pretty obvious.
Okay, I'm at the lights now. Turning left, yes. I can see a park ahead.
Perfect. Keep walking past it. The museum is just on the other side.
I see a big gray building with columns, and there's a sign that says City Museum. Is that it?
That's it. You made it.
Oh wow, finally. I can see the entrance. There's a queue outside though. Is it usually this busy?
It can be on weekends. But the line moves quickly. You shouldn't have to wait more than 10 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you so much, Sarah. You've been incredibly helpful. I owe you one.
Don't mention it. Enjoy the museum. And next time, maybe take the bus.
Let's explore a few more useful alternatives. Instead of, I think I took a wrong turn, you can say, I think I went the wrong way, or I may have missed the turn. Instead of, can you go back to the traffic lights? You can say, can you retrace your steps to the intersection? Instead of, you made it, you can say, you found it, or you got there. Now let's practice some key phrases. Excuse me, do you know where the museum is? Could you tell me how to get there? Go straight ahead, then turn left at the traffic lights. How long does it take to walk there? It's about 15 minutes on foot. You can't miss it. I think I went the wrong way. Can you retrace your steps to the intersection? Keep walking past the park. That's all for today's episode. Daniel started out completely lost, but with Sarah's help, he learned how to ask for directions, follow landmarks, and find his way even after a wrong turn. Next time you're in a new place, try using some of these phrases, even if you already have a map. Asking a local is great practice. If you enjoyed this episode, subscribe to the Loop English Pod for more. Here's a quick look at what we covered today. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time on the Loop English Pod.